Have you ever pondered the origins of our vast cosmos? Our story begins with the Big Bang Theory, the most widely accepted scientific hypothesis explaining the birth of the universe. Picture it, a singularity, a point of infinite density and temperature, smaller than an atom, yet containing all the matter and energy that would eventually expand into our universe. In a moment of unfathomable power, this singularity exploded outward. This wasn't an explosion in the traditional sense, but rather an incredibly rapid expansion of space itself. From this explosion, the universe was born, expanding faster than the speed of light. The heat was so intense that it's difficult to comprehend, billions of degrees hotter than the core of the most massive star. In these first few moments, the universe was an indescribable soup of energy and fundamental particles, too hot and dense for atoms to form. But as it expanded, it cooled. And as it cooled, the fundamental forces of physics that we know today began to take shape. First came gravity, the force that would eventually pull matter together to form galaxies and stars. Then, the strong nuclear force, which holds the nuclei of atoms together. The weak nuclear force emerged next, responsible for radioactive decay. And finally, electromagnetism, the force that governs light and electricity. As the universe continued to cool and expand, particles of matter began to form. Protons, neutrons, electrons. These particles would eventually come together to form the first atoms, and over billions of years, these atoms would clump together, forming stars, galaxies, and eventually planets. This is the Big Bang Theory in its simplest terms, a theory that attempts to explain the origins of our universe. It's a story of fire and chaos, of heat and energy, of expansion and cooling, of forces and particles. It's a story that's still being written as scientists continue to explore the mysteries of our universe. In this chaotic and fiery beginning, the foundations for everything we know were laid. From the cosmic dust of the early universe, life mysteriously sprang. In the vast expanse of the cosmos, a particular corner of the universe was destined to become our home. Amidst the swirling nebula and galactic formations, our solar system began to take shape. At its heart was the bright, warm sun, and around it planets started to form, including our very own Earth. As the Earth cooled, it became a fertile ground for the miracle of life to emerge. In these early stages, life was nothing more than simple single-celled organisms. They were humble beginnings, but these were the pioneers, the first sparks of life that would ignite the flame of evolution. Over billions of years, these simple organisms began to evolve, becoming more complex and diverse. Life found its way into every corner of the planet, from the deepest oceans to the highest mountains. Then came a significant turning point, the Ice Age. This harsh, frozen era reshaped our world, creating new landscapes and habitats. It was a time of great challenge, yet life demonstrated its remarkable resilience. Species adapted, evolved, and thrived in these new conditions, a testament to the enduring power of life. This period of intense change gave rise to a new kind of life, complex organisms. They were more sophisticated, more capable, and more diverse than anything that had come before. Among them were the first mammals, the ancestors of the diverse array of creatures we see today, including us, humans. These complex organisms continued to evolve, branching out into countless forms and species, each one adapted to survive in its specific environment, resulting in the rich tapestry of life we see around us today. This incredible journey of evolution, from single-celled organisms to intelligent beings, is a testament to life's resilience and adaptability. From the cosmic dust of the early universe to the thriving, diverse life on Earth today, it's a journey of extraordinary transformation. It's a story that continues to unfold as we, the latest players in this grand narrative, look forward to the next chapter of life's incredible journey. But when did we as a species begin to shape our world? As humans, our journey to civilization wasn't a rapid leap, but a gradual evolution. The first significant step was the transition from nomadic hunter-gatherer societies to settled civilizations. This was a monumental shift that happened around 10,000 years ago during the Neolithic Revolution. It was a time when we began to manipulate the environment to meet our needs, cultivating plants and domesticating animals. As we settled down, we embarked on a new era, the Stone Age. This period was marked by the creation of tools and weapons from stone, a significant advancement from relying solely on what nature provided. These innovations allowed us to hunt more efficiently, protect ourselves better, and live in larger, more complex communities. But humans weren't done evolving. As we learned to harness the power of fire, we entered the Bronze Age, around 5,000 years ago. Here, we started to blend copper and tin to create bronze, a material stronger and more durable than stone. This period also saw the rise of early states and empires, as our ability to create and trade goods led to the development of more complex societies. Next came the Iron Age, starting around 3,000 years ago. The discovery of iron smelting led to the creation of tools and weapons far superior to those of the Bronze Age. Around the same time, we invented writing, arguably the most crucial human invention. It allowed us to record history, communicate across distances, and establish laws and contracts. These ages marked significant milestones in human development, but equally important was the evolution of economic systems. From basic bartering in early societies, we moved to the use of money and the development of financial institutions. This evolution paved the way for the economic complexities of the modern world. So you see, the journey to civilization was a gradual and complex process. It was a testament to our ancestors' ingenuity, resourcefulness, and adaptability. Our ancestors' ingenuity and resourcefulness laid the groundwork for the modern world. Opening: how has technology transformed our lives and societies? As we journey through time, we find ourselves in the midst of the Industrial Revolution, where the world first tasted the fruits of mechanized production. This period, spanning from the late 18th to mid-19th centuries, witnessed an unprecedented surge in technological innovation. Steam power, railways, and factories emerged, replacing manual labor with machines and rural life with urban. It's a turning point that set the stage for the modern world. Fast forward to the mid-20th century, and a new revolution was on the horizon: the advent of computers. These electronic brains began as room-sized behemoths, crunching numbers for military and scientific calculations. But as decades rolled on, they shrank in size while growing in power, eventually finding a place in homes, offices, and pockets. Enter the 21st century, and we see the birth of the Internet, a network of networks that connected the world in ways previously unimaginable. Information, once a scarce resource, became abundant and accessible. The world became a global village, where distance was no longer a barrier to communication or commerce. Now, let's talk about the pace of technological change in the 21st century. It's been nothing short of astounding. In just 2 decades, we've seen the rise of smartphones, changing how we communicate, entertain, and navigate our lives. Social media platforms have reshaped our social interactions, while e-commerce has revolutionized how we shop. Then there's artificial intelligence, which is set to redefine the boundaries of what machines can do. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants and machine learning algorithms, AI is weaving itself into the fabric of our daily lives. Closing. Our technological prowess has revolutionized every aspect of our lives, from how we work to how we communicate. The journey of technology, from the clanging factories of the Industrial Revolution to the silent computations of AI, is a testament to human ingenuity and curiosity. It's a journey that's far from over, and we can only wonder, with bated breath, where it will take us next. Are we on the brink of another evolutionary leap, this time led by artificial intelligence? As we enter the 21st century, we find ourselves in an era poised for a revolution unlike any other. We've arrived at the dawn of the AI era, a time when machines are not just tools, but partners in our quest for knowledge and progress. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a field of computer science that's all about creating machines that think and learn like us, and potentially even outstrip us. From the self-driving cars navigating our roads to the virtual assistants in our pockets, AI is already woven into the fabric of our daily lives. But AI isn't just about making life more convenient. It's about tackling some of the world's biggest challenges. AI has the potential to revolutionize healthcare, with algorithms capable of diagnosing diseases with a level of accuracy that rivals and sometimes even surpasses human doctors. It's being used to combat climate change, with machine learning models predicting and mitigating the effects of global warming. It's even being used to explore the cosmos, with AI-powered telescopes scanning the skies for signs of extraterrestrial life. However, As with any powerful technology, AI comes with its own set of challenges and implications. It raises questions about job displacement, privacy, and even the very nature of what it means to be human. It's a brave new world, and navigating it will require wisdom, foresight, and a healthy dose of curiosity. Perhaps the most astonishing thing about AI is its ability to perform tasks we once thought were uniquely human. Take this video for example. It's not the work of a human scriptwriter, but the creation of an AI. It's a testament to how far we've come, and a glimpse into a future where human and machine creativity coexist and collaborate. As we stand on the precipice of the AI era, we are reminded of the incredible journey we've undertaken, from the Big Bang to the rise of civilizations, from the dawn of technology to the advent of AI. Stay curious, for the journey is far from over.